Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this cream pasta together. Okay, so in a boiling water I add some pasta. Okay, this is another type of pasta, so I boiled it and I added salt. Okay, I leave it to cook. On the other side of the burner I put on frying pan, then added olive oil, grated ginger and garlic, sauteed it for a while. I then add shrimp. Okay, I'll be using shrimps for this recipe, so I add the shrimps and fried it, and it's all ready. I set it aside. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my tiny OGs friends, thank you so much for always coming back to engage on my videos. Thank you for the like, comments and shares. I so much appreciate it, and may God bless you all. If this is the first time of coming across my channel or watching my video, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Okay, and turn the notification bell to know when I post a new video. Okay, trust me, you will love it here. So the pasta is already done, and now it's out. In a frying pan I added another olive oil, then onion. I also add ginger and garlic. Okay, I will saute it well. Have you liked the video? Have you liked the video? Have you liked it? Please like it. Okay, like it. It's free. You don't have to pay anything to like the video. It's absolutely free. Okay, like and comment. Drop your comments. Okay, thank you so much. And so I added pepper flakes. Okay, I added a little because my kids will be having the meal with me. Okay, then the cream. This cream is mainly for pastas. Okay, and then go on to add the cooked pasta, and the food is all ready. It doesn't take time, just 15 minutes, and the food is all ready. Okay, the pasta is a hard one. Pasta is a hard one, so you leave it to cook well. Okay, so that's that. After stirring it well to combine, I then add cheese. You can hear the voice of my kids in the background. They are keeping me company. Okay, I make the meal for them. So that's the cheese. I'll just add a little amount of it. They like cheese in their pastas and spaghetti. Okay, just add a little amount of it, and our cream pasta is all ready. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.